Welcome to MySolusy's. In this video, we'll explore how to manage and organize roles within your company using the company role. The company role section is key to organizing how employees access and interact with the system. It defines which parts of the dashboard each role can see and manage, ensuring that team members only access the tools and information relevant to their responsibilities. This focused access improves security, streamlines workflows, and helps maintain clear accountability within your organization. At the top, there is a search bar that helps quickly find a specific role by typing its name. Next to it is the New button, which allows you to add new company roles. The main table displays 3 columns. Name, the title of the role. Is admin? This shows whether the role has administrative permissions. And actions, where you can edit or delete existing company roles. To edit a role, simply click the Edit button, make the necessary changes. Once done, click the Submit. The updated role will then be reflected in the table. To add a new company role, click the New button. You'll see a form titled Company Roles. Here, enter the role name you want to put. For features and permissions, everything is selected by default. You can deselect all or the ones you don't want to give access to. Under Features, all major modules of the MySolusy's system are neatly listed along with their related features. These include Task Management, HR Management, Sales Management, Product Management, Accounting Management, and other system features. Each module is clearly organized with its own features, making it easy to find and assign permissions. You can quickly set up permissions for every user role by simply checking the boxes for the features they should access. Different roles in your organization will require different levels of access. For example, admin roles typically have full permissions across all features. This means every checkbox under Features and Permissions will be selected, allowing them to create, update, delete, and manage everything in the system. Other hand, a role like Sales and Marketing Strategy will have limited access, relevant only to their work. For instance, they might be given access to the Sales Management Module features, the Task Management Module features, and others features. Other features will remain unchecked for this role, ensuring they cannot access sensitive data unrelated to their job. Once you've selected the appropriate features and permissions for the role, click the Submit button. The newly created role will then appear in the Company Role table, ready to be assigned to users. The Company Role module in MySolusy's helps you assign the right access to the right people. By customizing features and permissions, you ensure each team member works within their responsibilities. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain control, security, and efficiency across your organization. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our website,